Hi, this is Lauren from Nextsalom. I am here today to walk you through the unboxing and setup for your Cellaca. This instrument is plug and play, so it's very simple to start up. The Cellaca instrument and computer come in one box. Unboxing the Cellaca may be a two-person lift. Each Cellaca comes with the following: the Cellaca instrument and computer, USB, power supply and power cord, plate loading template, 12x2 Cellaca plates, fluorescent beads, and the viability AOPI reagent. Let's go ahead and connect the power supply and power on the computer. Once that's done, let's set up the Cellaca. Connect the USB cable from the instrument to the computer and connect the power supply and power on the instrument. The power switch is located on the back above the power cable. As you can see, the instrument is on by the colorful LED light on the front. Okay, we're ready to go. We will need to start the software in order to begin using this instrument. Once you click the Cellaca icon on the desktop, the instrument will go through a startup sequence, connecting it to the database and homing all of the motors. The plate layout guide shows you which wells you will mix your samples in and which wells you will load. The plate comes in two formats, 8x3 and 12x2. Here is an example of the liquid being loaded into the load well. You can see how it moves through the fluidic chamber where it will be imaged in the instrument. Fluorescent beads are provided with the instrument. You'll want to invert the fluorescent bead solution a total of 10 times to ensure proper mixing. You'll load 50 microliters of fluorescent bead solution to the first loading well on the plate. Repeat this process for the next 3 or 4 loading wells. In order to load the plate, you'll click on the eject button at the top of the software screen. The stage will open from the front of the instrument. Place the plate on the stage with the notched corner facing in the top left. Click the load button to return the stage inside the instrument. You will need to enter a new sample name. Once you have entered the sample name, select the appropriate assay for your application. For these beads, we will select the assay MX-OQ Cellaca Bead Assay. You'll highlight the well chambers that have the beads loaded in them and click Preview. The bright field image will be displayed first. Observe whether or not the beads are in focus. You can adjust the focus by using the autofocus or manual focus buttons. Here you can see the beads have a crisp dark edge. For cells, you will be looking for a crisp dark outer membrane with a bright white center. You'll also want to check that your sample has a good fluorescent signal by previewing each of the fluorescent channels. Once you are satisfied with all of the settings, you can click the Count button. The system will proceed to collect, save, and analyze the images for the selected wells. You can see the status of each well changes depending on where it is in the data collection phase. The image display area populates with the saved images. In Well View, it shows the image and results for the selected well. The counts are displayed as they are completed, and you do not have to wait for all of the samples to finish before reviewing your data. In All Wells view, all of the data is displayed in one uniform report. All of this data is automatically saved to the database. However, reports can be exported by clicking the Export button. If you want to run another plate, you can click Acquire, or you can click on the Home tab to return home. Check out our website or YouTube for more information.